Welcome back, guys. Today my wife says she's gonna check our cabin air filter, so I'm going to check to see if she have any idea where it is. So I'm here walking to the car now, so she's gonna show me where the cabin air filter is.
I know where it is.
So
I'm gonna show you.
I'm checking to see what she's gonna do now.
Alright,
So now she's here looking for it. Now she gone in the bonnet.
yeah. It says cabin air filter, so it must be in the bonnet here.
So I want to really see if she understands what she's
But
doing.
it's full again.
Same thing. Okay, she got it.
Oh Lord.
So now she's in the hood,
So
searching for a cabin air filter.
cabin air filter.
So now she's
Cabin
looking.
air filter. Is it this right under here? Right, look right here. Is it that?
No, that is not the cabin air filter.
Cabin air filter. Give me a clue.
So I'm going to give her a clue. The cabin air filter normally located inside of the car.
Inside the car?
Yes, so you're going to go inside the car and search for the cabin air filter.
Alright, must be over the
And
side.
now she's going to the driver's side.
Must be over this side.
So now she's here looking for it.
What's this? Wait.
She
Come
cannot
around here,
find
come
it.
around here. Wait.
She
Come
cannot
around
find
this
it.
side. I know where it is.
Alright, so she claims she knows it is now. So I'm going to see what's going on now.
Alright, let me check. I'm going to check out this stuff. There are a lot of stuff inside. We will get them out. Whoa. But how do I get this out?
Alright, I guess she have a little idea now where the cabin air filter is.
Is in here? Oh, you turn this. Oh my God, I can't pull this though. Oh my God.
Alright guys, so she came out well hot. Say she can find the cabin air filter. She cannot find it, so I'm here laughing at her now. So
You're gonna show me?
I needed to find the cabin air filter for me.
Oh, I don't know. I pull one side, but the other side.
Alright, so
Help me to turn.
I'm going to show her what to do. So first of all, guys, I'm going to show you. So you're gonna pull this tab right here. It's like a black tab. You're gonna remove it like this. So this is like a tab that lock it. And there's the other one. Here's the other one here. I remove it like that. So this is a 2011 Hyundai Elantra. So,
2011,
not
2017.
sorry, 2017 Hyundai Elantra.
Right.
And normally the cabin air filter located on the passenger side, right underneath the glove compartment here.
Wow.
So as you can see it right there. So I'm gonna squeeze these two tabs right here. Put it like this.
Whoa. I want to find that.
So you squeeze these two little tabs right here and get it out. And this is the cabin air filter right here. I'll remove it. So this is the cabin air filter. It is so dirty.
Want to change, right?
I'm going to have to get one and change it. So guys, this is how you locate your cabin air filter instead of a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. So what do you want to say for the video?
Yes, guys. So remember, it's normally located on the passenger side, right in the, what you call this again?
Glove compartment.
The glove compartment. So, and he showed you how to take out the two screws here,
Tabs.
right? Tabs,
That lock
rather, yeah. And then you squeeze these two knobs to remove it, and then you just pull it out. So this is a bit dusty, because I've been wondering why when I turn the AC on it's a bit dusty inside. So as you can see, there's a lot of dust, so I need to get one of these. Yeah. So when you have your cars and you smell that dusty smell, yeah, I think it's this. I thought I knew where it was. I thought it was around there. What you call around there again?
In the engine room.
I thought it was in the engine room. I'm gonna be honest. I thought it was in the engine room. Oh my God. So I learned something today, guys. All right.
All right.
So, all right.
All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. I'm out.